Everyone, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today to share an Apple Watch bands review. This review today is for the MissAir Apple Watch bands. Now, I was recently gifted 2 of these Apple Watch bands by my husband, so I did receive them and I've been wearing them. I did an unboxing and a reveal on TikTok, so a lot of people were writing to me after I posted that TikTok asking me to do an update and to review these MissAir Apple Watch bands. So that's what I'm here to do today. I can't wait to share them with you, and I will share the pros and cons of these Apple Watch bands. MissAir Apple Watch bands are designed to look like jewelry, and I have to say they truly do. They are absolutely stunning. I cannot believe how beautiful they are and how they make you feel so luxurious when you're wearing them. They're very unique, and they do have symbolism to each of the bands, which is so beautiful and so meaningful. So I really appreciate that. For example, they do come with this charm which hangs down of the 4-leaf clover for good luck. Now, the one that I have, actually I have 2 of these in 2 different tones. I have the gold tone and I have the black. This is called the Dream Ladder, and it represents reaching for your dreams and shining like a star. So I absolutely love this band. It truly makes you feel so good when you're wearing it. Now, I was really surprised because I thought, is it going to be good when you're exercising? Are you going to be able to get that contact with your Apple Watch band to your skin good enough for it to read for exercise? And it does. So it works perfectly. Your Apple Watch will still perform just like if you had on any other watch band, silicone or otherwise. It's very, I keep it a little bit snug, but it's not too snug. And it is adjustable, so you can adjust it to a lot of different variety of wrist sizes. And it's very easy to customize it to your wrist shape. There's just a small button and you push it. Actually, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. And you can just slide it backwards, and I'll show you like this. It's so much easier. But you just slide it backwards and you can adjust the size like so. So it's very lightweight. That's another thing I really like about it. It feels so lightweight, so you actually feel like you have nothing on, but then you just see that beautiful bling, those beautiful crystals, and it's very, very uplifting. So I really feel like it elevates your outfit, it elevates your style. It's just absolutely stunning. And so that's why I couldn't wait to come and share this review with you today, because I think these are absolutely stunning. These feel so luxurious on when you're wearing them. They are 18 and 24 karat plated, so they will not oxidize on your skin and change color and things like that. So that's also a huge plus as well. So these watch bands just feature exquisite workmanship. They are manually inlaid crystals, so they're very secure. My crystals have never come out yet. And it's very inexpensive. This watch band costs about $15. And I do have a promo code that I'll provide at the end of the video, or I'll put it down below. But with this exclusive promo code, you'll receive additional savings. So it's unbelievable how good this watch band makes you feel, how luxurious it is, the style, and for such an affordable price, it's really amazing. This is definitely an Amazon find that I just cannot believe. I'm addicted to Amazon and Amazon finds, and this is one of them. This is so high quality, absolutely stunning, and would make an amazing gift for yourself or to give to someone else. So I could not recommend these more. And I do get a lot of questions about how to apply this watch band or any Apple Watch band. Now, this process is exactly the same to change out your watch band as it is with any watch band. But I'm going to insert a little clip so you can see my unboxing, how I apply the watch band, and how you can apply it for yourself. So I'm going to insert that little clip now, so just keep watching.
You guys, Christmas came early. I can't believe it, but my husband gifted me with these beautiful MissAir diamond style Apple Watch replacement straps. These straps are so gorgeous. They turn your Apple Watch into a stunning piece of jewelry. Each watch comes with a hidden clover, which brings you good luck and to make all of your dreams come true. He picked me up the diamond ladder style, which is so beautiful and represents reaching for the stars to make all of your dreams come true. So it's super easy to change out your Apple Watch band, you just push the button on the back of your Apple Watch and then you slide the MissAir strap into place. They stay snug on your arm. They feel so good. They do not come off, so it really fits well on your wrist. He got me the black style, and also there is a gorgeous gold tone shade that he got me as well. So both are equally beautiful.
So to be honest, I really don't have any cons to offer regarding the MissAir Apple Watch bands. They are absolutely stunning. The quality cannot be beat. They fit so nicely on your wrist. They're secure on your wrist. They feel lightweight. They're absolutely stunning. So I really cannot offer any cons today. That's actually the good news, right? So I'll have everything from MissAir Apple Watch bands linked down below, and also my discount code so you can get additional savings. And let me know if you pick one of these up. Tag me in any of your pictures on TikTok or Instagram, and I would love to see your unboxing, how your watches look, how you customize your Apple Watch. So definitely tag me at Alegra Chetti, and I can't wait to see how your watches look and how gorgeous and luxurious they look on you. So thank you so much for checking out my Apple Watch band review today, and let me know if you have any questions, and just leave them down below and I will definitely get back to you. So I hope you are all doing good. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!